You can earn $20 every 10 minutes on complete autopilot, all from the comfort of your home. No need for advanced skills, huge investments, or spending countless hours online. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a simple, step-by-step method to set up a passive income, delivering profits straight to your PayPal or bank account while you focus on what really matters. Let's go. Step 1. Gather free pet images. Visit the website unsplash.com. Unsplash offers a wide range of free stock resources, including images, illustrations, wallpapers, 3D renders, textures, and patterns. While you won't be clicking or selling any pictures here, we'll use these images to set up a passive income system that can potentially earn you $20 every 10 minutes on autopilot. Once you're on Unsplash, search for dog in the search bar and press enter. This will display numerous adorable dog images. We need pictures where a dog is either standing or sitting, and preferably with just one dog in the frame. For instance, if you find an image you like, click on it, hover over the Download Free option at the top right corner, select Original Size, and save the image to your computer or laptop. Repeat this process for other dog images, and aim to download at least 5 to 10 images of dogs, cats, and other pets. You can also use sites like Pexels or Pixabay to download high-quality pet images, all of which are free to use. Step 2. Understand the business. We're downloading various pet images from Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay because these images are used by online shops to sell custom pet products like phone cases, pillows, mugs, blankets, portraits, and t-shirts. These shop owners don't need to create or design the images themselves. Customers provide the pet photos, and the shop owner uses a print-on-demand service, like Printify, to handle printing and shipping. Importantly, there's no upfront cost for using Printify. The service takes a portion of the sales revenue to cover its printing and shipping costs. This model allows shop owners to earn significant profits without managing the production or shipping processes themselves. Print-on-demand is essentially a dropshipping model where you use Printify to create custom products with your images or designs. Printify integrates with platforms like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and others, making the process seamless. When a customer orders, Printify manages everything from printing to delivery, and you simply collect your earnings. For instance, a shop named Modpuss has sold over 168,000 items, including custom pet phone cases, pillows, and mugs, generating more than $1.6 million in revenue. If Etsy isn't available in your country, other platforms, like Redbubble, which accepts sellers globally, or Amazon and eBay, are viable alternatives. Another example, Artsif Official, specializes in custom pet portraits and has made over $500,000 with over 53,000 sales, highlighting the potential profitability of this business model. Step 3. Set up a Printify account. After logging into your Printify account, you'll see your dashboard. Start by clicking on My New Store and then choose the Add a New Store option. This will direct you to a page where you can connect various stores to your Printify account, including Etsy, Shopify, TikTok US, eBay, Walmart, Printify pop-up store, and others. Next, click on the Catalog option on the left and select items one by one. Printify offers a range of products like phone cases, pillows, mugs, and t-shirts. Begin by designing these items, starting with phone cases. Select a phone case from the available options, which will lead you to a page showcasing different white label designs for both iOS and Android phones. If you're new to creating phone case designs, I recommend starting with one of the first 3 phone case templates. This page will display various mock-ups of your phone designs, which will look very appealing. Step 4. Design your products. Next, scroll down a bit and click on the Start Designing Products button. This will direct you to a page where you can begin designing your first item, such as phone cases for your store. To do this, upload the dog images you've saved from Unsplash, Pixabay, and Pexels to Printify. Click on Upload, then choose My Device to select the image you want to use from your computer or laptop. The image will then be applied to your item. You'll need to make some edits to ensure the image looks good on the product and in the mock-ups. If the image has a background, you'll need to remove it. Printify provides editing tools for this purpose. Click the background remover icon at the top, and you can either manually erase the background or use the quick remove button for a faster result. Once the background is removed, click Apply to finalize it. Adjust the image so it's centered on the phone case and covers the bottom area up to the outer black line to avoid odd appearances. To add text, click Add Text on the left, choose a font, e.g. Lobster, and type your desired text, like love. You can customize the color and size of the text, place it in your design, and rotate it if needed. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Preview to view the phone case from different angles. If everything looks good, click Save Design, where you can set the product pricing. Your design will then be saved and ready for your Printify pop-up store. Step 5. Automate sales and fulfillment. You can use this process for various products, designs, and concepts. Once you're satisfied with the designs in your Printify pop-up store, you can link your Printify account to e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay. This will allow you to receive orders directly from these sites. Printify handles all aspects of order fulfillment, including printing, packaging, and shipping, so you'll earn profit from each sale without additional effort. Additionally, Printify integrates with PayPal to automatically deposit your earnings into your PayPal account, allowing you to relax while Printify manages the details and you collect your profits. In today's video, we've explored a simple yet effective way to earn passive income online. By using free image resources like Unsplash, Pexels, or Pixabay, and utilizing Printify's print-on-demand services, you can create custom pet products and start generating $20 every 10 minutes on complete autopilot. Remember, the key steps include downloading high-quality pet images, setting up your designs on Printify, and listing your products on various e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. This approach eliminates the need for upfront investment in inventory or handling logistics, allowing you to focus on creating appealing designs and marketing your products. If you follow these steps, you could start seeing income with minimal effort. And now, I'd love to hear from you. What type of custom pet products do you think would be the most popular? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is valuable and could inspire others on their passive income journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips and strategies to boost your online earnings. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.